Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification icon so as to get an update when I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys in a place in Abuja called Kaura, and it's also known as a games village. Well, I will just be giving you guys a little insight about games village and all. Well, actually, Games Village is a relatively well-developed district in phase 2 of Abuja, and it is located to the southwest of Abuja Central Business District. Games Village is actually has a very green and beautiful parts, and it is characterized as a predominantly peaceful and residential neighborhood, although there are some commercial interests. Well, there are several high quality educational establishments which are sited in or near the neighborhood. You also find plenty of social amenities on the district southern boundary, close to the Lokogoma Expressway, as to the north near to the border of with Durumi. Well, available amenities include in this estate is include the park, gardens, restaurant, supermarket, and religious centers. Well, entering the estate also, like as you can see, we are going into the estate. They have Well, as you can see, we just entered the estate, and just by my right, there is like a fire service station there. So, and which is very essential in every estate in case an incident of fire outbreak or something. Instead of coming from outside, well, it's inside, which is very nice and all. They also have some restaurants, supermarkets, and all that. So if you want to get any of these things, instead of going out of the estate, it's just right inside the estate and all. So we keep moving straight down. Well, let's just let me take you guys along with me and show you how this the road network is like. Well, regarding the road network, they actually have a very good road network. Everywhere is tiled. There is no really bad road network and all that, which is very good for anybody trying to live in this estate and all. Well, Games Village is a sought after neighborhood, and variety of different residents call this place home, such as people such as professionals, civil servants, and businessmen. Well, Games Village benefits from good infrastructure like water, drainage, good roads, and is also well situated, giving the access to the central area of Abuja. And also accordingly, Games Village district has become increasingly popular with people looking for more affordable places to live in the capital. Wow, this is actually very nice because it's just in the midst of everything. Like, you're close to almost everywhere. If you want to go to the business central business districts, very close by and all. You want to head way to the airport, you just hit the road and on your way to the airport. Also going to Lokogoma. Well, the type of residential estates you can find in the Games Village varies from bungalows to houses to apartments, blocks. In addition, you also have commercial, retail, and office space, which is an offer like going on right now too. So with this, guys, just keep on watching and I'll keep showing you guys more places. Okay guys, I think with this we've come to the end of this video, and I'm sure you guys enjoyed what you saw. So if you want to see more of this kind of places, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe, like, and turn on your notification so as to get an update when I upload a new video. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.